Okay, so we move to the next topic. Okay, so what you need to know in this subject is about software. Okay, so we move to the next slide. Okay, so this is the learning outcomes for this topic. Okay, so at the end of this chapter, okay, you should be able to what the first one is explain the different ownerships of the software. Okay, and then you also need should be able to identify the categories of system software and their functions. Okay, you also should be able to identify the main functions and categories of operating system, or we call it as OS. All right, and then you also need to identify the types of application software and their functions. You also should be able to define what is a mobile apps and what is an app store. All right, and then you also should be able to define what is a software suite. Okay, so now we go to the next slide is okay, we'll explain you about the definitions of the software. Okay, so software, or is also known as a program, okay, is a collection of instructions that enable the user to interact with a computer, its hardware, or to perform the task. Okay, so actually without software most computers would be useless. Okay, for example, okay, without your internet browser software, you could not surf the internet or read this page. Okay, all right. So, and also without an operating system, okay, so the browser could not run on your computer. Okay, so that is the definitions of a software.